Hi. How was your day yesterday?
Hi. It was good. I visited my friend's house. What about you?
Nice. I stayed at home and cooked dinner. Did you do anything special at your friend's house?
Yeah, we played some games and watched a movie. It was a lot of fun. Did you cook something new for dinner?
Not really. I made spaghetti, a simple dish. Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was a comedy. We laughed a lot. Have you ever seen that movie?
No, I haven't. Which one was it?
It was a funny one called The Great Mix-Up. Have you watched any good movies lately?
Oh, I haven't heard of that one. I watched a romantic movie last week. Did you stay at your friend's house for a long time?
No, I left around 9 p.m. It was a short visit. Did anything interesting happen while you were cooking?
Not really. I just listened to music while cooking. It was relaxing. Did you have a chance to play any games at your friend's house?
Yes, we played board games. It was a blast. Do you like playing board games?
Yeah, they're fun. I play them with my family sometimes. Did you play any specific board game?
We played Monopoly. It took a while, but it was enjoyable. Do you have a favorite board game?
Monopoly is classic. I like Scrabble. It's a word game. Have you ever played it?
Oh yes. I enjoy Scrabble too. It's challenging but entertaining. Well, it was nice talking about our days.
Kindly show your support by clicking the like button.
Hi, Mark. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great too. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading books. What about you?
I enjoy painting. It's so relaxing. What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure stories. They are exciting. What about your paintings?
I usually paint landscapes. Do you have any favorite adventure book?
Yes, I love Treasure Island. It's about pirates and hidden treasures. Have you read it?
No, but it sounds interesting. I'll check it out. What colors do you use in your paintings?
I use a lot of blue and green for the sky and grass. What about you?
I like using warm colors like red and yellow for sunsets. It makes the painting feel cozy.
That sounds beautiful. We should share our hobbies sometime.
Definitely. Let's do that.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hi, Emily. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too. Are you from around here?
No, I'm from Brazil. I moved here recently.
I'm originally from the UK, but I've been living in the States for a while now. Welcome to the neighborhood. So, what do you do for work, Emily?
Thank you. I'm still learning English. How about you, Alex?
That's cool, Emily. I work in computers. I write code for software. It's fun. What about your learning English? Why are you doing that?
I want to explore new things and English is important. What about you, Alex? Why did you start working with computers?
I liked playing with computers in school and I studied them more in college. Now, I write programs. Do you have goals for your English?
Yes, I want to be good and maybe work with people from different places. How about your work? What do you like or find hard?
I like solving problems, but sometimes it's hard to keep up with all the changes in technology. What's hard for you in learning English?
Pronunciation is tough and understanding fast English is challenging. But I'm trying. Do you know any good ways to learn English?
Sure. There are apps and websites. I can show you some later. It's great that you want to learn. Keep it up, Emily.
Thanks, Alex. It's nice talking to you and learning about your job.
Kindly show your support by clicking the like button.
Hey there. How's your day going?
Not too bad, just the usual grind. How about yours?
Same here, work, work, work. But hey, did you hear about that new restaurant downtown?
Oh, the one everyone's been talking about? Yeah, I've been meaning to check it out. What's the scoop?
They say it has the best Italian cuisine in town. I was thinking we could go there this weekend. What do you think?
That sounds like a plan. I could use a break from the routine. By the way, did you catch the latest movie that came out?
Not yet. Is it any good?
Yeah, it's a thriller with a mind-bending plot twist. We should totally catch it together. What do you say?
Sounds intriguing. Count me in. Maybe we can grab dinner and then hit the cinema.
Perfect. It's a plan then. Anything exciting happening in your life lately?
Well, I've been thinking about taking up a new hobby. Maybe something like painting or photography. Any suggestions?
That's awesome. I'd say go for photography. It's a great way to capture memories. Plus, you can join a local club or take a class.
That's a fantastic idea. Thanks for the suggestion. I'll look into it. Anyway, let's catch up soon and finalize our weekend plans.
Absolutely looking forward to it. Have a good day.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Hey, long time no see. How have you been?
Oh, hey. I've been good, just busy with work and stuff. And you?
Same here, work's been crazy. But guess what? I finally booked that trip to Japan I've been talking about.
No way. That's awesome. When are you going?
In a couple of months. I can't wait to explore Tokyo and try all the amazing food. You should join me.
That sounds tempting, but I'm knee-deep in a project right now. Maybe next time. Speaking of projects, have you started that novel you were planning to write?
Yeah, I've actually written a few chapters. It's a slow process, but I'm enjoying it. How about you? Any new projects on your plate?
Well, I've been thinking about starting a podcast. Something about science and technology. What do you think?
That sounds fascinating. I'd totally listen to that. You should go for it.
Thanks. I'm still figuring out the details, but it's exciting. Anyway, let me know when you're back from Japan. We should catch up over coffee.
Absolutely. It's a plan. Take care and good luck with the podcast idea.